Thank you for joining us for day 5 of the unboxing.
All right, so this is Lumber Liquidators. This is classic Lumber Liquidators. Like, every word on here is trying to sell you. I mean, there is more wording on this box trying to sell me flooring than I think I've ever seen. So let's give this a try. How do you open this thing? Best price, unbeatable guarantee. That's nice that the price is good. Okay, so they have highest quality brands and lowest prices. Core Lux, Aqua Seal, Bellawood. Never heard of the best brands if that's them, which I don't think it is. You know, interesting. So some of this box actually says Lumber Liquidators and some of it says L&L. Very unclear what we got here. Okay, we got a pamphlet about L&L Install, transform your new home, nationwide flooring. I mean, there's no personalization about this at all. Peace of mind. Yeah, I don't know about the peace of mind when you have formaldehyde in here, but that wasn't on me. Anyway, these took 12 days to get to me. I think the samples were free. They were on the product listing pages. I remember these because as soon as I ordered them, I got a call from a sales agent that sounded outsourced. I mean, they were trying to sell me at all times, whether it's on the box or on the phone. It was weird that they called me right after I submitted my information. I'm not sure what that is. That looks like white flooring. Unclear. Okay, so these are, country of origin. They put the country of origin China. Okay. Don't think that's gonna go over well. Country of origin China. Country of origin Germany. All right, so is that marketing? Is that real? This one's from Germany. These two were sent from China. Maybe not sent from China, I'm not sure. I mean, so the box was fine. No personalization. The products though look bad. I mean, these look bad. They hurt when you touch them, and it's interesting. They don't even have the name of this. It's just the barcode, the country of origin, and the type. Yeah, I mean, they're just trying to sell me as much as possible. Interesting. So this one has a Lumber Liquidators logo on it. The one from Germany. The ones from China don't have a Lumber Liquidators logo on it. This one also has a Lumber Liquidators. Is this from Germany? Portugal. Okay. This one's from Portugal. This one's from Germany. And this from China. Yeah. That's just weirded me out a little bit. And they called me right after I ordered the samples. So not going to Lumber Liquidators.
Are you interested in seeing how your customers are receiving samples from manufacturers? Check back tomorrow for another unboxing. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when we drop brand new content.